Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it look so elegant. So today's video is in collaboration with several other YouTubers, hosted by two wonderful ladies, MomDas from MomDas Life Handmade and Lisa Burningham. Now let's get started. Both MomDas and Lisa wanted us to do a Valentine project. Let me show you what my Valentine project is. First, a big thank you to both Lisa and MomDas for hosting this collab. I'm always very excited to participate in these collabs or challenges. And may I suggest that you go right over to both ladies' channels, see the playlist that they have, subscribe to the channels that you like after you watch all the videos. And of course, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel as well. That is if you have not already done so. And if you have, I want to say a special thanks to you. I really appreciate that. These are the items that I plan to use in this Valentine container garden. So let's get started right here at the front door. I'm trying to put the pieces together. So first I have this bunch of pink roses, and then I'm going to put these cones, and of course I'll figure out a way of getting this heart-shaped vase with a plant in there, and of course the mailbox, I'll put that in as well. So let me see what the next step is going to be. This is the final product. First, at the entrance here, we have the stone plaque that says Friendship Garden. It's heart-shaped. And then right beside that, we have this container here with a plant, and it's all hearts all around the container here, in red, of course. And then right above that, we have the car that has a bouquet of flowers, pink roses to be exact. And then as we move up, a sign that says welcome. And then the mats, there are two mats at the door. It says home is where the heart is. Both mats have the same sign. Home is where the heart is. And of course, right above the mat is where we have two wreaths, the same colors as the pink roses. At the entrance. Then there's this jade plant, huge jade plant right here as well to complement the area. thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.